Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PowerPoint tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to make calendar in PowerPoint without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on New. Then you have to make sure you come to the search right here and go ahead and type in calendar. Once you type in calendar, go ahead and click on search icon right here. However, you need to bear in mind that this particular network must be connected on your PC because without internet, you cannot get to this particular point right here. So, next thing you want to do right here is to choose from the numerous templates you have in right here. Okay, like for instance, if you are satisfied with any of the templates right here, just go ahead and select the template. Like for instance, I want to use this particular animal template right here. So select on the template and it's going to show the preview right here. Then go ahead and click on create. Boom. So you have it right here. You have all the calendar right here, just like what you see right here from January to December, everything has been customized. Then you can work on some of the design right here, like the text, like the background shape, as the case may be. You can change the background shape color right here. So go ahead and come to the top right here and choose whatever color of your choice. That is for background. Then you can come down below right here. You can also change this background color right here. Go ahead and click on here and choose paint color as the case may be. And use the previous color as the other ones right here. So you can go on and on and edit different things as the case. You can decide to change the image right here. So for that, go ahead and click on the image. Right click on it, and then the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and make sure you click on change. So then go ahead and click on from the file and select from the file. Once you click on select from the file, you can go ahead and choose picture from your computer. So let's say for instance, I want to change to something like this. I'm going to select something like this and click on insert, and boom, you have it successfully inserted into the PowerPoint. So you can go on and change all the formats, all the font style from the text. You can also work on some of the font style right here. And here you can also work on the weekend of the calendar. You can come to the Sunday right here. This is Saturday and this is Sunday right here. You can decide to change some of the color of the weekend days to something like red. That will make it more easy to identify from the days and the week. So I'm going to go ahead and select this and then make it red. Then I'm going to select this column also and make it red. I'm going to select this column also and make it red. You can go on and edit all different templates that you have in right here. It's that simple. Once you are satisfied with the design, then you can come to File and then go ahead and click on Save As. So you can save your design in different formats as the case may be. Go ahead and click on Browse. So once you click on Browse, then choose your format right here. So you can save it as PDF as the case may be, or better still, you can save it as PNG, you can save it as JPEG or whatever. And then you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Microsoft PowerPoint, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.